Mommy, so what's poetry
Snowman
for?
hat.
What's the snowman hat?
Snowman hat, but like who will give hat to for snow?
Okay, so what else?
Go and get a hat for the snowman.
That's mine.
Oh yeah. Let me
You know that small Peppa Pig one?
pick it up.
Peppa Pig one.
I'll check.
It's going to be Pepper.
I don't know, Andrew. Why did you make a small
Because
head
the
for
big
us?
head do not balance on that.
It will. It's eye for a reason.
So guys, what's the eye
That's what
going
they
to
put
be?
in it.
Guys, what's the eye going to be?
Ow!
I don't know what the eye is going to be.
But what is this for? You know.
What's the eye going to be for?
So we stick it. No, that's too.
It's where?
Mommy,
And I know too.
give it to me.
Oh, I'm terrible.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
I can't feel my hands anymore, guys.
Me either.
You guys, you're not talking about a snowman.
Mommy, snowman needs eyes.
What kind of eyes do they have?
Like small button eyes or something.
Yeah, they need, Mommy.
Yeah.
We need buttons for the eyes.
Mom,
Yeah?
I got a lot of different options. This,
Yeah, we can
Let's,
do this stuff.
let's get the girl.
this.
No, come back, Evan. Come back. Come
Mommy,
back.
there's this match one.
Yeah, I want that match one.
The match one. It's a girl one. Mommy, we have a girl snowman. Yeah.
Well,
Snow woman.
That's why we need a smaller hat.
I'm sure we have this one. And that's all. We need to grow this
It
thing.
does not
guys.
really need
We need
eyes.
to grow this. It doesn't really need eyes.
Oh, I don't think so. It must have eyes.
Mommy, it doesn't really need eyes.
It could be one of those.
It needs, Mommy, it needs black eyes.
Don't worry when you say black eyes.
Or should I keep making the snow?
What
bigger?
fruit do we have? Mommy, we
Mommy,
need
should
a
I
bigger
keep-
head.
Mommy, should I keep
Mommy, a
it?
bigger head.
No, it's fine. We already got that. That's fine.
I can make one.
Our snowman has got no hands.
Mommy.
Is there no sticks?
The only stick I know, guess where it is?
Well,
What? Go and bring it.
we'll snap it now.
We're
Wash
gonna
our
snap
hands.
in half.
Don't snap it. Just bring it. Don't run on that thing, Andre. How do you trust it that much?
Mommy, we need eyes. What can we use as eyes?
Me, I will get you eyes. I've always got answers for
Mommy, look at this.
everything.
Cause look at this stuff. Cause look at this stuff. Cause look. Wait.
Stop. You're
Wait, we're
getting
getting the snowman. That's
sorry, snowman.
sorry, snowman.
Orange.
Snap it.
And
So,
So
Wait,
we're
get
about to
one
finish
for
the
me.
snowman.
it's not
So
one
one,
section.
that is one long hand. And then move it in. Let me put in the other hand.
Okay, put the other hand
Andre.
facing down.
and I think it should be of the hand.
You stabbed it.
Don't stab him, Mom.
That's what-
The, what about the mouth?
Snowmen don't really need the mouths.
Yes, they do. If they can see, then they can talk.
Can they walk?
No.
Hey, Andre, how do you put this out?
We just put it in very deep. So this must be one of the best goofiest snowmen in the
All
world.
right.